Hello everyone, welcome back to another exciting Google Stitch tutorial. Let's create tab menu. Google Stitch is an AI-powered, Gemini-based design tool from Google Labs that generates high-fidelity UI/UX designs and front-end code from natural language prompts, sketches, or screenshots. Here is the browser-based Google Stitch AI interface. Giving the prompt for tabs menu items, create UI tabs for the following labels: London, Dubai, and Bangkok. On-click tabs should change the color and clicking on tabs hero images should update and some information about the city. Click on Generate button. It will render and publish the result. Refining the prompt for tab selection. On clicking tabs, each tab should select and color should change. Tab menu for London, Dubai, and Bangkok is ready, and bit information about these cities. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more creative videos.